How to do payroll for one employee in QuickBooks. So sign up for QuickBooks Payroll, go to QuickBooks Online, then click Payroll and choose a plan, which is Core, Premium, or Elite that fits your needs. Get your employees' info, so collect their W-4, state withholdings form, secure social security number, start date, pay rate, and pay schedule. Add your employees, so go to All Apps, Team Employees, and click Add Employee and enter their personal and payroll details. Enter year-to-date info if applicable if you've already paid them this year, and put their hours and payroll totals from their most recent pay stub. Then set up auto tax required July 2026. QuickBooks will automatically calculate and file payroll taxes. Complete any to-do tax setups and payroll overview, and then run payroll. Go to All Apps, Team Employees, run payroll, and then enter hours if hourly. Preview the totals, then click Submit Payroll. Pay your employee, choose direct deposit or check, enter check numbers if needed, and print pay stubs for your records. Then confirm and save, review the payroll summary, save it for your records, and QuickBooks will handle tax filings automatically. If this helps you, subscribe.